Hey guys, I wanted to show y'all some of my Kylie cosmetics that I got for Christmas. Look at this glass of this, unless she repackages it in another name. But I'll open up some of this too. Packaging, oh my god. I was so glad I got this because it was limited edition and it's sold out, so this is the one. And this is one of the cream shadows in Sleigh Bells. And one of the ultra glows as well. Oh, I love it. I'm so glad I got my hands on some of this holiday collection because the packaging, y'all, I just live for this. Yeah, and I also ordered all of this back in August for her birthday collection, and I never opened it, y'all. It killed me. I have no idea how I went this long without opening it, but I did, and I'm so excited. I was more excited to open this box just because it's been sitting here in my house for months. But look at this highlighter package. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, champagne shower. She doesn't have this one anymore either. It was limited edition for her birthday, so I had to get this one, y'all. Oh my gosh, and it came with this card. Y'all, I get something from every one of her special editions because they are the fire. And look at this. Oh my gosh, y'all. This is my first lipstick I bought. This was the first lipstick that I got of hers, but I've heard such good things about it, so I had to get this one. It's red. I'll open it up later. And I got a free keychain when I ordered this, so yes. Going on my keychain ASAP. And in this package, I picked up the last of the Ultra Glows in the shade Tahiti. I love these. They are the best highlighter if you like it loose. And I'm so glad to add this one because I have like 3 of them. I'm not for sure how many, but this one's added to my collection. And the Peach Extended Palette, thanks to my niece. I got her one for Christmas and they shipped the wrong box. I got one too. Oh my gosh, I cannot explain how excited I am about this, you guys. Stoked. Straight stoked. So altogether, this is what I racked up for Christmas in my haul. Oh my gosh, I am over the moon excited, you guys. I mean, look at this packaging. I'm going to open up some of these and let y'all see what actually I got. Ugh. And this is Snow Angel. It came in the holiday collection. Oh my gosh. Look at this palette, you guys. Oh, I love it. And these normally came in like a cardboard container, and these are plastic. I'm not sure how I feel about it, but I love it. I'm digging it. Oh, yes. Look at this powder blue. Oh my god. And this is the cream shadow. Oh my gosh, look at this color. Oh, I have so many of these. Look at them right here. They're the best. They last forever, and this formula is amazing. And this is in the shade Sleigh Bells. Yes, y'all. And this is the Ultra Glow from the holiday collection. And look at this. Oh my gosh. I mean, y'all, it's worth every penny, honestly. Like, I have never gotten a product that I am just not floored away by. I will keep this forever, y'all. This stuff, it lasts so long. Like, I never use anything but what's in the lid. Let me see if I can open it up. Sorry, I'm using my left hand. But it comes like this, and
well, the little things on it right now, but I literally never even shake it into this or anything. Like once I take this little seal off, I literally will only just tap my brush right there at the top, and I never go in deep into this little palette thing. It literally will last you forever. And this is Tahiti. It's the same as this, but this is just her classic color here. And this is Tahiti. It's the same as this, but this is just her classic color here. And these actually came from the Vacation collection a few summers back, and then she just turned this into a normal product. So you can grab this one all the time. And this one's in this shade right here, Tahiti. And I have all of these other ones. I have Fiji, and this one is Santorini. And I thought I had another one. So now I just added to the list. Y'all, check out this lipstick. Oh my gosh, I'm straight obsessed with red lips. And I am so excited that I picked up this one. It is going to be amazing. I actually went and got this other little acrylic container right here, just so I could start putting my lipstick somewhere. So there's like 28 of these shades, I believe. And so if I like the formula, I'm gonna start collecting them too. Why not? Y'all, and last but certainly not least, the Peach Extended Palette. Oh my gosh, I am so ready to play with this. Oh, the colors are so everyday for me. And when my niece asked for this for Christmas, I was like, I'm jealous. Don't know if I can be able to get this for you and not get one for myself. And I ended up getting one too. So yes, y'all, my Christmas was too much. I could not have asked for anything else. And I don't know if I've showed y'all my new vanity light. I made this from a set of rope lights. And this mirror is like 100 pounds, y'all. It is from Germany. And it was black. I painted it. I had to build a stand to put this on. I don't know if you can see it back there, to brace it. But this is my little vanity right now. I'm pretty much content with it. I'm gonna get some more of these acrylic containers, because my stack drawer palettes, they're full. I need a few more of these. But other than that, y'all, I straight love my vanity. I made this all myself. This is a table. I have these all stacked over here. I don't have anything to put it in. So I'm going to have to get some more of these just to put all this here in. But I'm going to have to show y'all this too, because I got this one and this Stormy palette right here. I've never even used this one, y'all. Like, I honestly don't know if I am or not. That's how obsessed I am with it. I'm going to open this one up and show y'all too. I got this one when Stormy was born. Oh gosh, I can't even, like, the sound of that. I'm just... But, oh my gosh, y'all. This is my life. So this is the Stormy palette, and this, guys, is a Velcro. Like, you can feel the little clouds. And look inside. I've almost had this a year, and I have not used it. I mean, I don't get why, but I just don't want to mess it up. Is that so sad? Like, I don't know. But only on, like, special events or something. Not ever even hardly wear any of this makeup. I do use the Coco Collection face palette. I use it every day. And I use a lot of the lip kits too, but I try to just make these products last, honestly. This one is just so cute. Even swatching it, I think I might have swatched like the corner of the second palette right there, but you can tell it's in pristine condition. Oh.